I think it's time for bed, Tia, don't you think? Yeah. Oh, you're here. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Animal Craft with your host, Lynn, and joining me by my side is Xavier.
Hi!
And in this episode, we are going to be getting a cow. And I have no food. Because I want to get a cake. That's why. I want to put it, oh, there's melons. And hopefully some of the cocoa beans have grown. Have the cocoa beans grown? Yes, they've all grown. Let's replant some. Doop, 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 doop. And I made a stack and a half of cookies with my cocoa beans. And I want to go try and get a cow. But first, I would like to get my shears and go shear some. Oh, hi.
This is hard. This one's hard. Can you please help me?
And shear.
This one's hard.
Oh, wow. Hello, chicken.
Get back to where I was.
I saw that, Tia. I'm gonna try and get.
So, could you help me with this one?
I'm gonna make something out of cobblestone. I'm gonna make a big milk bucket, but I need it to be most of it to be smooth stone. And then I'm gonna put the cow in it. So let's just make that. What?
There anymore.
Huh?
I just beat the firefighter. How many of the stuff have you beat?
Like I've got like 3 gems. Anyways, let's put the rest of this stuff away. AKA in here. And I think that's all that we need. What is this? Indian? I don't know. Okay, so there's a garland. Is there like a milk? Like milk? Maybe like a milk bucket would be good for like inside. It would be cute, kind of, I would think. But yeah. So we're gonna have to get some more. Let's put the 3 charcoal in. And let's clear out a space to put the milk thing. And 6. Okay, I guess I could do the secure wood. And you have, nope. Just grab one piece, one piece of cobblestone. And let's go make the milk thing. The reason why I'm making a milk bucket is because, like, it's a cow and, milk you get from a cow. Anyways, let's eat some. Oh, you guys are eating it, actually? No, you guys can't eat the potatoes. Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh, an egg. Thank you. Imagine if that actually hatched a chicken. Okay, let's go. The thing will be like near the sheep pen and stuff like that, and the cow and the chicken pen, because they're all animals and stuff like that, but it's not gonna be too close. But first of all, I need some wool. I just realized I have to put grass in there
That's what the baby sheep looks like.
so that they can
Wow.
regrow their wool.
They need to have grass.
Yeah, I know. I just said that.
Yeah, I know. I just tell them to put it in a
Otherwise, they can't regrow their grass. But I think I might need to get a piece of grass from Creative. Because as you see, there's no piece of grass. Slash give all players for Lyndon Rose. No. Excuse me. Block. Let's see. Slash give grass so is there like no grass blocks? Okay. Okay, so it's game mode C now. Oops. No. Let's grab one grass block. That's it. No more, no less. And, slash, go. So I have a bunch of dirt at home. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Well, you could. So I have a bunch of grass at home. Oh, I'm hungry. So let's go get that. I mean, not grass. I have a bunch of dirt at home. So let's go get some of the dirt. Oh, there's a sheep. Ooh, a sheep. Sheepy, sheepy. Thank you very much. Okay, so I think that this should be enough. Okay, so let's go get the dirt. Nope. I have to put signs on my, chest. Slash time set day. So I want it to be completely day so I can start working on the milk thing. Let's take this there. Squids are probably. Oh, wait. Where are all the squids? They must have despawned or something. Of course it broke. Okay, let's find, first of all, let's get all the sheep and stuff sorted out. So let's get up here. Nope, didn't want to go in. Move, please. It's going pretty well. Let's scooch some of these guys out of here. Oh, okay, and I think we're done. Now, no sheep eat this grass. So wait till it spreads. Maybe... Remember, no sheep eat this grass, okay? You got it? Come on, grass spread. Okay, well, whatever. If a sheep eats it, we'll just get, like, I don't know if, like... Oh, Corgi! Are you the only Corgi? Oh, no, there's a Corgi over there. I'm gonna have a Corgi like you. Okay. Done, 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 done. Done, 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 done. Okay, okay, you are very high energy. Done, done. Okay, so I'm gonna try and focus on, that will be the front door. This is not gonna be enough. I knew it would not be enough at first, but like, okay. So I'm gonna start building up now that I have it circular. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Okay. Once the whole life cycle has gone through, like once the pigs are adults, which I think they all are, that means we could no, they ate, oh no, they didn't eat the grass. So, what? It's good, I'm not complaining that they didn't eat the grass, but like, I don't know. I will cut down a bunch of trees, and then we will finish smelting all the cobble in the next episode. For now, I just want to finish breeding everything. Like, I want to breed everything again because everything is grown up now. Oh, I hear that sheep still. Sheep is doing fine, I guess. Okay, so we need some wheat. We need, the rest is in here. This, and do I have 9 seeds, that's not a lot. Biscuit. I hate that in this thing, boats break. In Minecraft Education, they don't break. Or like, it's, like you could bump up against something and it won't break. So that's why Minecraft Education is better with boats. But yeah, Minecraft Java Edition is a little bit better than Minecraft Education other than the boats. Because the boats, they break really easily in Minecraft Java Edition. Like we just saw, like, my boat broke. And that's really annoying to me. And yeah. Doop, 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 doop. I think that they're all braided. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Nope. Please do not try and escape. Now. No, you guys ate the grass! Seriously? I'm gonna have... We'll deal with that later. And then babies everywhere. Okay. Do. I think I'll get at least 1 chicken out of this. Yeah, 1 chicken. So anyways, our milk jug is coming along. It's coming along. Okay. Looks pretty good. But seriously. Oh, shit. Did you escape or something? Are you guys, like, glitching through the ground? Okay. You get to die. No one saw that. Anyways, I'm gonna go mining off camera because I need, actually, I need skeletons, actually, a lot. So I might summon a few right now. / summon skeleton. Oh, gave me nothing. / summon skeleton. Nothing again. Okay, I'm gonna die. 2 sheep. Thank you. Okay. Dope. There we go. I don't understand why I spawn on the roof all the time. Okay, there we go. So let's summon a couple of skeletons. / summon skeleton. Yes, a bone. I need a summon skeleton. And yes, I am aware that my sword is going to break soon. Summon skeleton. Yes. 4 bones. I think that's enough. Where are you guys? Where's everyone? Okay, so you're there. Also, in the next episode, I will be revealing the Dalmatian's name. Where's the Dalmatian? Let's try and find the Dalmatian. Where'd he go? There you are. I will be revealing his name in the next episode. But right now, I'm gonna watch some TV. Bye!